Man shot and robbed outside Emancipation Park. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. There was a shooting incident outside Emancipation Park in New Kingston on Thursday of last week. Links 007 TV News understand that a man was rushed to hospital after being robbed and shot outside. Links 007 TV News understand that a man was rushed to hospital after being shot and robbed of an undetermined sum of money near the entrance of the famous landmark. His condition up to the publication of this report is unknown. The perpetrator reportedly escaped. No further information was immediately available from the police. The police are continuing the investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.